That's funny. Is it rolling?
Yeah.
I'm looking at. Okay. Don't laugh.
I'm crying. Don't make me think of old man Stefan and he's like spitting in my wine. Old man's Dr. Pepper. So I just like spit on my nasty cake.
Dr. Stefan.
You're like, who's Dr. Pepper? And I'm like, it's my soda, it's not a man. And you were like, really?
No. I was like,
old man Stefan, Dr. Pepper.
You
Who's that?
spit on it. That's the grossest cake ever invented.
I have like Dr. Pepper all over my hand now.
I don't.
I'm choking on my own spit.
Ew. So look, I made it look good. Look. Wait, it took forever.
I know, but it tasted
it looks
nasty.
pretty. It's shiny. Look
Shiny.
at that cake. Yummerific.
Okay, this is over now.
Yum-tastic.
Silent laughing.